Yeah.
Not possible. Not possible.
I'm big sure.
Not possible at all. And every time after shopping, yesterday, day before yesterday we went shopping. Mohit ne बहुत सारा खरीदा, lots of stuff. Then yesterday he's telling me, yaar, I don't have this, I don't have that. I'm like, you just shop so much. I told him I'll break up with you if you shop.
Oh, the
breakup.
breakup reminds us that there's a huge request that all your fans want you to ask her out again on camera right now.
अगर मैं दोबारा पूछूंगा तो मना कर देगी इसलिए एक बार पूछ लिया और काम चल गया अभी दोबारा पूछनी अच्छी बात
No, there is a huge request. You have to do this. Come on.
But Mohit never asked me out in the first place.
Yeah.
It's not like, will you be my girlfriend?
It was not a filmy thing.
Yeah.
So let's do it the filmy way now.
यार सारे फूल भगवान को चढ़ाते हैं सो क्या ड्रिंक पिला के बोलता हूँ
Yes, I will drink your Red Bull and rock your world.
Okay. You said Mohit is obsessed with his hair, as everybody knows. What are you obsessed with?
Clothes. She is.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with clothes, shoes, bags, chocolates.
See?
So,
Everything that a girl is obsessed with, generally.
Yeah.
Even I'm a shopaholic. I have a problem कि I need to shop. Like
Actually एक और चीज़ है मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ. Sorry.
Oh,
I can't say that so.
Okay. Okay. We're going to play this small little game. I hope you all have not cheated.
What?
No. See, okay, I'm going to ask you a few random things about Mohit and then about you to Mohit, and you have to tell me. Like, I think it's very general. Okay. Mohit's first you. Yeah. Mohit's favorite perfume.
I can't say that because Mohit doesn't like it. So,
But she knows.
I know it. I can't say it because Mohit doesn't like to disclose it. Then a lot of people will use
Okay,
it.
just name one alphabet of that. Like this niche.
P.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
So now all the fans can keep guessing. Favorite destination of Mohit?
Destination, you mean holiday?
Yeah, holiday destination.
Well, Mohit hasn't traveled a lot, so I would say he likes Goa because that's the closest to us. He also likes Mussoorie.
Okay.
Yes, so I think it would be Goa and Mussoorie. If he's in Delhi, it would be Mussoorie. If he's in Bombay, it would be
Yeah.
Goa.
So his favorite brand?
He wears underwear of Calvin Klein, so that's the most
What?
Yeah, show your underwear.
Okay, but
Everybody knows Mohit wears underwear of Calvin Klein. But favorite brand.
अभी तुमको मेरे मैं change कर रहा हूँ.
I just want to say Mohit is wearing a Calvin Klein t-shirt and he's wearing a Calvin Klein underwear. So
His favorite brand is
It's
Calvin
not
Klein.
our.
yeah.
Favorite restaurant? Or favorite cuisine?
Well, he likes Rajma Chawal. That's his favorite
That's
dish.
my favorite too.
And of late, Dhansak, the Parsi's Dhansak is time with
सराय की
Rajma
मॉम
Chawal.
बनाती है दरअसल वो बहुत यम्मी बनाती है so I think we should.
And Mohit eats it like, I mean, even an animal won't eat it.
Rubbish.
I swear.
So what? Like,
He gets so excited, but
हाँ मैं
yeah.
उस दिन और कुछ नहीं खाता हूँ.
Yes, he likes Rajma Chawal.
Favorite movie?
I don't think we have we know. Like if you ask Mohit questions like your favorite movie, favorite song, he will not be able to answer. Yeah.
Okay, so now your turn. Favorite perfume?
My favorite. Oh, his favorite.
No, your favorite perfume.
She doesn't have any favorite perfume, I guess.
No favorite perfume.
No, she doesn't have any favorite.
Okay, so your favorite holiday, her favorite holiday destination.
I don't know, like she has traveled to America lots of times and in like India, many places, but I think abroad, I think it should be America because her sister and brother stays there, so abroad I guess America.
Okay, is that right?
No, it's not America. I love traveling. So I just love traveling. So I don't have a favorite. Like if I've gone somewhere, I will try not to go back there and I'll try to go to a different place. So I guess once I've traveled the world, then I
Your
what is
favorite.
my favorite.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
So I'm right.
But yes, like given a choice, if I ever got a lot of time, I would go to America because my family is there. So you know,
Yeah.
what I
So,
do is I
I'm
meet them and then I travel within America.
So say now that you were right.
Okay, alright.
Thank you so much.
Simpler. Okay, her favorite restaurant or cuisine?
Restaurant? No. I think there's no any favorite restaurant, but she likes Chinese and chicken. Obviously, every day she can eat
Yes, he's right. I don't have a favorite restaurant, but my cuisine is Chinese.
Chinese. Yeah.
The last movie that you all saw?
The last movie which we saw, just now, 2 days back. Which movie?
No One Killed Jessica? Is that?
No one killed Jessica.
No. Sorry. No.
And last time Mohit was dragging me for Yamla Pagla Divana, but I said no.
It'll be a good movie.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
I
will go
think it's a good
eventually,
movie.
but
I think you all should watch Yamla Pagla Divana.
but I was being chindi. There is 600 rupees a ticket. 600 rupees. I was like, nahi, bilkul nahi. We go
No,
and it's
she just wanted to
cheaper.
sleep and then all that rubbish. No.
I just didn't feel